Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here with Caldwell Outdoor Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. We are excited to announce the Hustler Spring Sales Event. We've got some of the best prices we've seen in a long time with extra discounts on all of the Raptor family models. And I want to show you one model in particular. It's the Raptor XD in the 54-inch deck size, one of our most popular sellers. And it's got extra rebates right now. Best pricing we've seen this spring for sure. So let me show you this machine. So here it is, the very popular Raptor XD 54-inch. It has the big bite tires, and it has the very popular Kawasaki engine. This model is a 23 horsepower in the 54-inch deck. Couple things you'll notice: this mower is rated to mow 3.3 acres per hour, and that's based on an 80% efficiency, so it's a very realistic number. Now I want to show you the price tag and how the pricing works. So on this first tier here, this is if you want to use the 0% for 48-month financing. The middle tier, this is if you want to pay with a credit or debit card. And then the bottom tier here, this is the discount you get if you pay cash. So cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan, we can honor the cash discount on. But because it's got the extra $250 off right now, you take that $250 off of any payment method that you choose. So your finance price is going to be $49.99 on this mower right now. And just a really great time to buy. Know that grass is growing out there now, but this is a very heavy built, removable foot pan. Easy to change the deck height selector here. Very comfortable seat. This mower rides great. You've got an option of adding flex forks to the front, and when you add flex forks to the front, you get some shock absorption and smooth out the ride. So this mower is a great machine. We sell a lot of them. It's got a 3-year factory warranty from Hustler, and we offer a service plan where you can actually keep coverage on that mower for 7 years just by getting the service work done here. So give us a call at 636-586-9607, or you can shoot us a text message on that number. Our website is caldwellequipment.com, and we look forward to helping you. Thanks a lot.